6 months ago, John was broke, frustrated, and scrolling through his phone at 2 a.m. wondering how people were making money online. Today he's earning consistently, and he never shows his face. This is his story. John had tried everything. Dropshipping, affiliate marketing, crypto. Nothing worked. Then one night he stumbled across a YouTube video about AI tools, and everything changed. He spent 2 weeks testing tools, failing, learning, and then finally, he cracked the code. ChatGPT was the first tool he discovered, but he wasn't using it like everyone else. John was using it to write blog posts and emails for small businesses on Fiverr. John had made over $800 just from writing gigs, powered entirely by ChatGPT. But John didn't stop there. He discovered Canva AI and realized he could just from templates he made in one afternoon. By month 2, John found ElevenLabs, and this is where things got really interesting. He started offering AI voiceover services to YouTubers and podcast creators. $30 for every 60 seconds of audio. Clients couldn't tell it was AI, they just kept coming back. John was now running 3 income streams simultaneously, and he hadn't recorded his own voice once. Then John discovered Pictory AI, and decided to build something bigger. A faceless YouTube channel. He used ChatGPT to write the scripts, ElevenLabs for the voiceover, and Pictory to turn everything into a full polished video, automatically. His first video hit 12,000 views in 3 weeks. His channel got monetized in 60 days. Now YouTube sends him a check every single month, and the final tool John added to his arsenal was Claude AI. He used it to write a 4,000-word ebook on making money with AI tools, ironically, and published it on Amazon KDP for free. That ebook now makes him between $200 and $600 every single month. Completely passive. He wrote it once and never touched it again. Claude helped him think deeper, write better, and build systems that work while he sleeps. So where is John today? 6 months after that late-night scrolling session, he's made over $14,000 using just these 5 AI tools. No face on camera. No office. No boss. ChatGPT, Freelance.
First, ChatGPT for Power AI Conversation. Next, Canva AI for effortless, beautiful designs. Then, ElevenLabs for natural sound into engaging videos. Finally, Claude AI for advanced reading.
John's story isn't special. It's repeatable. The tools are free to start. The methods are proven. The only thing missing is you deciding to actually begin. If you want the exact step-by-step breakdown of how John built his faceless YouTube channel from scratch, that video is coming next week. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. And if this video helped you today, drop a like.